Hello everyone, today in this video we will see how you can set WooCommerce discounts based on customers' purchase history. So without further delay, let's go to our testing site and understand the steps. Once you installed the ELEX Dynamic Pricing plugin, go to the settings page and enable all the discount rules as per your business requirements. For this video we will be using the product rule. Now click on the discount rules as shown on your screen. Then click on Create My First Rule. Once the rule setup page has been opened, enter all the required details such as offer name, rule applicable on products, check for minimum and maximum quantity, discount type, and discount value. Then go to restriction page. In the restriction section, you can apply restriction for this specific rule based on the email ID, minimum number of previous orders, and minimum total spending on previous orders. You can select the options based on your requirements. We will only assign minimum numbers of previous orders. In your final step, save the rule. As per this rule, any user having a minimum of 2 previous orders and purchase 5 numbers of hoodie will get a 50% of discount. Once the rule has been saved, let's go to the front end and check how the rule is working. As you can see, this specific user is having more than 2 orders. From your shop page, add the product to the cart, then go to the cart page. As you can see, we are getting a discount when we are increasing the quantity to 5. This user is getting a discount because the user is having more than 2 previous orders. If we check the same scenario for unregistered user or guest user, then you can see there will be no discount as the guest users does not have any previous orders. Hope you have understood the process of setting up WooCommerce discounts based on customer purchase history. If you have any further requirements or questions, then contact our support team by following the link provided in the description. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.